Good morning, everyone. Myself, JVN Dr. Archana Verma, Assistant Professor, Department of Homeopathic Surgery, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University. Today, we are starting with new topic that is GRD, Gastroesophageal Reflux Disease. Now come to introduction of digestive system. Digestive system, also known as a gastrointestinal tract or alimentary system. It is responsible for breaking down the complex food into simple nutrients the body can absorb and convert into energy. This process is known as digestion. Major GI function organ are mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Accessory GI organ are liver, gallbladder, pancreas. Now come to main topic, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GRD. GRD. First definition. Definition of GRD. Gastroesophageal reflux is the backward flow of gastric content into the esophagus. GRD common affecting 15 to 20% of adult, 10% person experience daily heartburn and indigestion. Because of location near other organ symptoms may be mimic other illness including heart problems. In first picture show the healthy esophagus and sphincter closed. In second picture sphincter open allowing reflex of food content in esophagus. Now come to pathophysiology. Gastroesophageal reflux result from transient relaxation or incompetence of lower esophageal sphincter or increased pressure within stomach. Factor contributing to esophageal reflux: first, increased gastric volume; second, position pushing gastric content close to gastroesophageal juncture, such a binding or lining down. Next, increased gastric pressure in condition of obesity or tight clothing, hiatal hernia. Normally, the peristalsis in esophagus and bicarbonate in salivary secretion neutralize any gastric juice that contact the esophagus during sleep. And with esophageal reflux, esophageal mucosa is damaged and inflamed. Prolonged exposure causes ulceration, febrile mucosa, and bleeding. Untreated, there is scarring and stricture of esophagus. Now come to manifestation. First, heartburn after meals will binding over and recumbent. May have regurgitation of sore material in mouth, pain with swallowing, atypical chest pain, sore throat with hoarseness, bronchospasm and laryngospasm. Now come to clinical feature. Typical symptoms: heartburn, acid regurgitation. Typical symptoms: atypical symptoms are dysphagia, global sensation, non-cardiac chest pain, dyspepsia, abdomen pain. Now, extra esophageal symptoms are hoarseness or sore throat, chronic cough, asthma, bronchitis, pneumonitis. Sleep-related symptoms are substernal burning, chest discomfort, indigestion, heartburn, sore, bitter taste in mouth. Now come to complication. Complication of GRD. are esophageal sphincter, Barrett. First is esophageal stricture, second is Barrett esophagus. In esophageal stricture, which can progress to dysphagia in Barrett esophagus, change in cell lining esophagus with increased risk for esophageal cancer. Now, collaborative care diagnosis may be made from history of symptoms and risk. Treatment includes lifestyle change, diet modification, and medications. Now, investigation. Investigation may be advised some investigation. First, barium solo, evaluation of esophagus, stomach, small intestine. Next, upper endoscopy, direct visualize, biopsies may be done. 24 hours ambulatory pH monitoring, esophageal manometry, which measure pressure of esophageal sphincter and peristalsis, esophageal motility study. Now come to medication. Antacid for mild to moderate symptoms, that is Milox, Mylantha, Gaviscon. Next, S2 receptor blocker, decrease acid production, that is cimetidine, ranitidine, formatidine, nizatidine. Proton pump inhibitor, reduce gastric secretion, promoting healing for esophageal erosion and relief symptoms, that is omeprazole and lansoprazole. Pro-mobility agent, enhance esophageal clearness and gastric emptying, that is metoclopramide. Diet and life management, elimination of acid food, that is tomatoes, spicy, citrus food, coffee. Avoiding food which relax esophagus sphincter or delayed gastric emptying, that is fatty food, chocolates, peppermint, alcohol. Mental ideal body weight. Next, eat a small meal and stay upright 2 hours post eating. No eating 3 hours prior to going to bed. Elevate head of bed on 6-8 blocks to decrease reflex. Next, no smoking. No smoking. Avoiding bending. Avoiding bending and wear loose fitting clothes. Surgery for GRD, surgical treatment for GRD. First, laparoscopy procedure to tight lower esophageal sphincter, and next, open surgical procedure, that is called nasal fundoplication. Thank you so much.